everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. Happy to have you joining us. If you're a new subscriber, we want to say welcome. We really appreciate you being a part of this amazing art journey with us. We have a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and we are already going to get started. As you can see, we like to get started right away. We have some Blickrylic titanium white as a base that we're going to be blowing out. Okay, looks like we probably have coverage all the way around. Just going to make sure we got our edges and sides covered as much as possible. We also are looking for any foreign debris. That would be any uninvited guests that would come to interfere with our foundation as well as our composition. We want to get everything from the canvas covered so that we don't see that canvas coming through. All right, that looks pretty good. We're going to take our torch to pop the air bubbles. We're going to use some leftover paint. This is the Loft Cobalt blue. Beautiful color. This will be one that we have that's left over. And we also want to try and create an opportunity for us to use as much as possible this color. So let's do this. Let's get it in the middle here. All right. That's the cobalt blue. And we also have one of my favorites. I absolutely love this color. It's the Liquitex Basics Prussian blue. I'm going to try and put a lot of blue in here today. We have the Liquitex Basics Turquoise blue. Yeah, we want to make sure we can get a nice squeeze on that. We have Golden's Iridescent Pearl, Fine Pearl. It looks lovely on dark colors. And we have a light base, so I'm sure we're going to see it somewhere here. We also have one of my all-time favorites, Artist Loft Metallic Blue. take that off. And we have the Loft Old Gold, another one of my old reliables. And this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas in which we are going to do a Dutch pour on. I don't know if I said that or not, but we are definitely excited about doing a Dutch pour on this one. Just taking this. These colors will be listed in our description box below should you have need to refer back. I am going to add more of my Prussian blue. I want a nice, deep, dark, rich color of blues coming through. Give it a torch. And we're going to look for any uninvited guests all the time. Let's see, let's move this out here. How about we start in this area and see what we can do to help our design out. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, so pretty. I'm truly in love with this cluster of cells that are developing here with the Prussian blue, the metallic blue, the Loft Old Gold, really capturing a lot of that gorgeous cell activity there. There's some here, and there's little bits of it toward the outside as well. This is spilling over, and I'm really trying to, thinking about not letting it go over. Well, that side is going over, so maybe we will let it go over. But the cell development is incredible here. We want to just light the torch just to make certain that we aren't missing any air bubbles. And I'm going to come to this side and just look and see if there's anything we could do. Let's see, we'll reach under there and tap out this corner here. Bringing in this dark color here from underneath. That looks better. Okay. Pretty. Very pretty. We are going to take our Pana brand swipe tool and go underneath, getting that excess paint, and as long as it is active, it is moving. And we are going to capture this and help it to come to rest as quick as possible. And we're making clear that we want to have a design that we see now as much as possible. That's why we want to bring it to rest. wiping underneath several times in this process as it prepares for drying. So pretty. This gorgeous thread of cells with the gold through them really, really, really is beautiful. So you're going to capture this paint before it goes off the edge here. The cobalt blue, metallic blue, turquoise blue, Prussian blue, all of those gorgeous blues, along with the pearl white, iridescent pearl by golden, make for these beautiful cells that you're seeing. All right, it is close-up time for you guys. Let's bring you down. Alrighty, here we are, everyone, with our close-up of this 12 by 24 inch canvas with the Dutch pour that we've just done, with blues and pearl and metallic and old gold. Just a combination of gorgeous colors. Look at the richness of those cells there. There's a total cluster of cells there. I just simply love this piece, especially in this area here. And they come out to the edges. Then we can go up to the top, and you can see they're there as well, all the way to the tip and on over to the other side. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous cluster of beautiful gold and pearl cells with the metallic blue. It is so pretty. Lovely, I love it, I love it. Look at those beautiful cells there. This is an amazing piece. Okay, friends, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. We so appreciate your feedback, and we look forward to seeing you each and every time. And so, if you haven't done so, you want to like me on, actually friend me on Facebook, go ahead and do so, because I'm with Acrylic Dutch Pour and More. That is my Facebook group. If you want to join me, we would love to have you share your art with us. So until next time, keep loving your art. We'll see you all on next video. Bye now.